Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change your birth date within the Facebook application. To do this, open the Facebook app and tap on your profile icon to access the main menu. There are two ways to access the settings. You can either use the shortcut located at the top next to the magnifying glass with the gear icon, or you can swipe and go to Settings and Privacy, and tap the arrow to expand all options, then enter Settings. On this screen, tap on Profile Settings, where your name and other information about your profile is located. Then tap on Privacy and enter Manage Your Profile. If you keep scrolling, you'll see a section called Basic Information. Simply tap on Edit, and you'll arrive at a screen where you can change your birth date and gender. After making the change, a warning will appear indicating that the change will be limited. If you make the change now, you'll have to wait a few days until you can edit your birth date again. To save the changes, you must tick the box that says, "I confirm that I am X years old," and then tap Save. As you can see in the Basic Information section, the birth date has been updated with the new one. If you want to edit it again, you'll have to wait until the allotted time has passed. This is how you can easily change the birth date on your Facebook profile from your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from BALMA Tech, and I'll see you in the next video.